Hi there, my name is Rabiya, and I'm an artist as well as an educator here at the Vancouver Art Gallery. I'm going to be running a special mandala printmaking workshop in honor of Asian Heritage Month on Sunday, May 26th. So, a mandala is essentially a type of pattern or design that's very common in South Asian culture. Growing up, I would always see them on the clothes that I would wear and in the house. So, it's really common in a South Asian household. So, mandalas are important to me because the act of drawing these patterns really puts me into a meditative state. It really helps calm me down and think a bit more clearly. And I just sort of let my hand move as it creates these patterns. And so, mandalas have actually helped me so much in my life to just process what's going on around me and to practice moving slowly and moving with more calmness in my life.